PET is a synthetic resin produced by the polymerization of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. PET is used in polyester fibers for clothing, containers for liquids and foods, and thermoforming for manufacturing, to name a few. PET is a good barrier for both water and gas, offering resistance to mineral oils, solvents, and acids. Hello, my name is Mayank Agarwal and I am the owner of General Plastic Industries, your packaging partner. Packaging materials can be very different from one another. Some offer a varying degree of performance and clarity. PET offers infinite recyclability and with a lower carbon footprint, it's head and shoulders above glass and aluminum. Instead of ending up in landfills, PET bottles and containers can be reprocessed for reuse over and over in millions of products. It's a huge advantage. Accordingly, packaging and plastics made of PET are all imprinted with the number 1 recycling symbol. Advantages of using PET. Number 1. Clear and transparent. PET bottles are transparent just like glass. The contents of the container can be viewed from the outside. Number 2. 100% recyclable. PET can be recycled infinitely. The only reason PET ends up in landfills is that it is not disposed of in the correct manner. If PET bottles are collected, sorted, and sent to the appropriate facilities, it can be used infinitely. Number 3. Energy saving. When compared to other packaging materials like paper, glass, aluminum, PET bottles use a lot less energy to manufacture. Number 4. Carbon footprint. Greenhouse gas emissions is the lowest while manufacturing PET bottles as compared to glass, aluminum, and paper. Number 5. Safe. Although it may not look like it, PET bottles are tough and virtually indestructible. This makes PET products a great choice for production and storage, all the way through transport. If a PET bottle does break, it splits instead of shattering, unlike many other bottles. Number 6. Good barrier. Many manufacturers prefer to use PET in their products because it allows for low permeability of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water. These characteristics help protect and maintain the integrity of each product and assists in creating a longer shelf life. Number 7. Lightweight. PET bottles are lighter than glass, thus shifting from glass packaging to PET bottles helps reduce the cost of transport. PET bottles are high strength and low weight. Number 8. Design flexibility. PET is suitable for containers of all shapes, sizes, neck finishes, designs, and colors. The possibilities are virtually endless. PET bottles play an integral part in our daily lives and will continue to do so in the foreseeable future because it caters to industries ranging from mineral water, home care, liquor, etc. General Plastics strives to provide our customers with the best quality of PET preforms and bottles to meet their packaging needs. If I have added value to you, please share this video with your friends. This is Mayank Agarwal signing off and I will see you in my next video.